Hey, welcome back from spring break. Let me move you down here. I hope you had a great time. So this week we're just going to retread something we've done before. I do that in my PE class where we do something that I think is going to be fun and try to just master some of the things. So you're going to be working on your fitness bingo, which you've done before. It's just a great opportunity just to get outside or do some different activities that you've done. So something you can do all week or in one day. It's up to you. This will be the greetings page. I'd like to do the superhero warm up again. Very simple, but something fun. And then the fitness bingo is this one that we've done before. If it loads. The fitness bingo, you can do a row, a column, or the entire grid for a block out. It's loading very slowly as usual, but it's right here. I don't know what's going on. But yours should load fine. If it doesn't, let me know. Oh, there it is. You can also get a new board if you don't like what it is. Like, so if you look at some of these things, play some sort of tag game, run back and forth like fishy in the sea, 2-foot hop, 10 overhand throws, 10 push-ups, 10 jump rope for 10 minutes, not consecutively because that might kill you. Burpees, balance on 1 foot, just some simple little things. Just different activities. Play outside for 20 minutes. So you decide what you want to do. Throw the ball in the air above your head, catch it 10 times. Make it 10 times in a row if it's hard, or if you're good at it, or dribble with your left hand or your weak hand, dribble with your right hand. It's a lot of fun things to do. So I hope you enjoy it and had a great spring break, because I know I did and will, or I will and did, or however you want to look at it, because it's a little early, but have a great one. Hope to hear from you.